Alright, ladies and gents, I don't know if you can hear me over the laser, over the exhaust frame, but here we are finishing up the a set of grips that we've done. These are walnut grips here, just tagging them with our website. There you go, www.roosterconcepts.com. These are, like I said, these are walnut. I'll show you what these guys look like here in a couple seconds. Put that back down. So these are just a plain walnut grip. You see these are compact 1911s. This here, these are maple. These are SIG P238s. These here, full-size 1911s with a knurled finish checkerboard. Same thing, Rooster Concepts. So we're finishing these up, getting ready for the show. These are walnut finish, knurled with a United States Navy engraved on them. We haven't got to finish the backs yet. And this here is cherry 1911 full size. So you see the full size versus the compact. It's walnut, cherry, maple. This is a maple that's been knurled, and this is a walnut that's been knurled and laser cut with the Navy logo. Let me know what you guys think. We'll be offering these here on the website shortly, www.roosterconcepts.com. Check us out.